everybody, John here with SoCal Outdoor Adventure. It's great to be back with you today. So for today I'm going to be showing you my second setup for my fishing kit, and I'm going to be using the Roaring Fire Tactical Backpack. So stay tuned. Alright my friends, so this is my current fishing kit setup alongside with the Waymar Tactical Chest Pack. And the backpack that I'm currently using right now to haul all my stuff is from Roaring Fire Gear. Now at first I was very skeptical about wanting to buy this particular backpack, just because I haven't really heard about this company. The only reason why I heard so much about it was from the Sensible Prepper. I bought this backpack back in December of last year when they had a flash sale going on for this pack, and I thought it was a great deal, so I went ahead and pulled the trigger. And to be honest with you, I have not regretted it whatsoever. Let's go ahead and give you guys a 360 so you can see what it looks like. And we're going to talk about everything that's inside the pack here. So let's go ahead and get this pack on the table, and let's break it down and show you what's inside. And we'll also go over all the features of the backpack as well. Alright you guys, so we're going to go ahead and get my stuff out so we can show you exactly what's inside. First thing we're going to go ahead and unbuckle is going to be the chest rig, and then the sternum strap of this backpack. Go ahead and take the chest rig off and put that to the side here. Alright, so this is the backpack right here. Hopefully you guys can see me okay. Maybe not. I may have to change the camera position here. You know what? Yeah, I don't like the way this is looking. Let me go ahead and change the position of the camera here. That way you guys can see everything better, okay? Alright guys, my apologies. I tried to reposition the camera into a different spot to where the color quality was going to be, not the color quality, where the sunlight was going to allow you guys to see a better picture of the backpack, but unfortunately that did not happen. But still, we're going to go ahead and talk about this backpack. So this is by Roaring Fire Gear, and this is their 45-liter tactical backpack. And as you can see, this backpack has a lot of great features on it. The material itself of the backpack is going to be 600 900D Oxford waterproof ventilated fabric. So very nice fabric, very easy to use. You've also got a big internal capacity of 45 liters. They will hold a hydration bladder, which unfortunately I do not have currently installed in this backpack right now because I didn't feel it was necessary. But it's got a lot of nice hook and loop features. So you have hook and loop right here on the front of the pack. You've also got MOLLE webbing, as well as these pouches, as well as these two, not pouches, these two, I forgot what they're called. Anyway, so these two right here came with this backpack. You've got the American flag and then the Roaring Fire signature right here. On the side of the pack, you also do have MOLLE webbing on the side. So as you can see, I do have a pack, another rig that I did a review on a while back. So I do have another storage pouch on this bag, and I've also got a bottle carrier on this bag as well. And then on the inside of the pack, the straps of this backpack is super comfortable. Very nice mesh, and it sits very comfortably on your chest. This backpack has a good amount of stuff in it when it comes to my fishing kits, and I have to say that I've been impressed with how well it's been doing with no problems. And then you've also got this webbing right here on the inside. Not really sure what you can use this for, but definitely do not put a water bladder in there. Probably the one thing I can possibly find that can possibly fit in there would be maybe like a tactical backpack shield, like a bulletproof shielding. Now, one thing, it does have a sternum strap on the front of the pack right here. So this is your sternum strap. As soon as I can get this thing to kind of get back in the proper position here. Come on. There we go. So you do have your sternum straps on the front of the rig, and then also too on the front of it I've got those little fishing nippers, as well as a spooling tool on here as well. Now the one thing I will talk about is the chest strap right here, not the sternum strap, but the chest strap. Now the original buckle that did come with this pack unfortunately broke on me, and that was my fault, because what happened was that I put this pack in my truck and I had something actually selling and it actually cracked the casing, so I had to throw the casing on and go purchase a new one. But no big deal, it was my fault, so I got it fixed, no problem whatsoever. So on the side of the pack you do have right here at the top, there is actually, no, I guess, nope, I was wrong. Where am I? Nope, here it is, right here. So right where my thumb is right here, there's an opening to where you can install the hose for the water bladder. And you can obviously put it through either through here or through the top of the truck pack. I much rather bring it out and just let it come on the side of myself right here. So this is all in all, it's a very nice pack. Let's go ahead and move back to a different position and we'll show you the contents of this pack. Alright you guys, I just remembered that I actually have not done a review of this particular pouch yet, so we're going to go ahead and save this pouch for another video, because I definitely want to give you guys a review of this particular pouch in question that I have sitting on this pack. So we'll save this one for another day, but evidently this is actually my fire kit that I have on this backpack, so we'll take a look at that another day. The other side of the bag I do have a water bottle pouch, so I do have a Nalgene bottle which has water, but unfortunately I'm running low. Then on the front pouch here, I've also got inside of the bag, I've also got some paracord, which I would use to go ahead and strap on a tarp. But unfortunately I left the tarp in my truck, so because I took it out for some reason. I don't know why I did that. So we're gonna go ahead and unbuckle the pack. So you got the two buckles right here, one on the side, buckle on the top, and then another buckle here on the side as well. So we're going to go ahead and start off with what is inside the front pouch, the first front pouch right here. Nothing major on the inside, except I do carry a spork, a long spoon, and this is from a Hoo-Hoo. This is a metal shield or plate, not a metal shield plate. It's a windscreen. It's a metal windscreen, which I'll do a review on this guy a little bit later on. You can see some of the webbing is starting to come apart just a little bit, but not a lot. There we go. Just get rid of some of that stuff right there. No big deal. It's still doing very well, holding its own. On the top of the pack, I do have this Wide-Eye swim hard bait by Storm. I've got a Yuko storage container with some water resistant matches and some cotton tinder. So another way to start fire. A pair of binoculars by Barska. Some bait. This is power bait. This is glitter trout bait. Fortunately, where I am today, there's no trout, only bass. I've got a headlamp, AAA battery, and then I've also got a dry bag. And I use this mainly to put fish in when I catch a fish, if I want to bring it home. And all that fits right here in this top little pouch. I might move some stuff around, I haven't decided yet. So next pouch we're going to go over is going to look at this pouch right here. So on the inside of this bag I do have a stove. I have a wood burning stove. This is my Firebox wood burning stove. Inside of this bag I've got some tinder, some dryer lint tinder, as well as some Vaseline, and some stormproof fire tinder. And this is from, let's see here. So yeah, that's the Vaseline. Yuck, it actually leaked. Here we go. Sweet Fire. Ah, that's the name of it. So in my other chest rig that I have, that I use for my 3-Hiking kit, that's what's in there, and that's a Sweet Fire tinder. And again, I got some dryer lint. Gonna go ahead and fix this up right here a little bit. Ugh. The next item I have is a cooking pot, sterno can, my small coffee kit, another Prima. This is by Primus. This is another fuel canister, and another thing of petroleum jelly. I don't need two. I'm going to take one of these out. Maybe I'll throw this one in the other kit. And that's pretty much it for this pouch. Last but not least is the primary bag of this kit, the primary pouch of this kit. And as you can see, it's a suitcase style backpack. So first off, I have is my casting, my regular fishing reel. I do also have a bait caster, but it's currently set up right now. And I've also these are my lures, my hooks, my bobbers, and all that stuff, all that great stuff right there. You got these two mesh pockets on the front. So right here, this is Bass Dynasty. These are some baits that I picked up. And I've also got some swivels. Two things of swivels. This is by Strike King. This is the Mini Serpent Strike King. And then I've also got a hand warmers, two of them. Obviously, I don't need them right now because it's summer. Farkle original. Easy towels. I absolutely love these things. And I've also got another fire start, another striker here. This is by Light My Fire. And this is everything that I carry in this backpack. And as you can see, there is a lot of room for me to carry a bunch of stuff in this backpack, and that's why I like this backpack. So this is very nice. All right, so that's that. So let's go ahead and move on to the next phase. All right, so that is a full look at the contents that is inside my Roaring Fire Tactical Backpack, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let's talk about the pros and cons of this backpack. First off, the pros. Obviously, there's a lot of great features as far as hook and loop features. There's also a lot of multi-webbing, so you can attach multiple pieces of gear directly to this backpack. You can even use this. According to what I've seen, this 45-liter backpack can be used as a simple hiking backpack as well. And one other feature I did forget to mention about this backpack is that it does have loops on the bottom of the backpack for you to attach like a tarp or even a tent underneath it. So logically speaking, if I wanted to, if I was going to stay out I can carry a tent in this backpack, and basically I would have the ability to stay out for a night if I was fishing and I just had this backpack with me, and that would be perfect for that. So obviously that's a great feature to have. Another great feature about this particular backpack is the storage capacity. This has a lot of great storage, not only in the primary pouch, but in also the other pouches. As you can see, with everything I have, making this backpack into a special type of fishing backpack. This pack is actually perfect for all that type of stuff. Now, in case you're wondering, I did mention I do have another backpack that I use for fishing, and that is my Hidden Woodsman backpack. Now, this particular backpack is my camping backpack. So this backpack goes with me for whenever I go camping anywhere, and it stays in the truck. If I find a spot where I'm going to go fishing, I'm definitely going to take this out. Otherwise, if I know for a fact I'm going to go to a place where I can't fish whatsoever, I won't bring the backpack. But sometimes if I have a lot more stuff in the back of my truck than normal, I'll carry my other backpack instead of carrying my Roaring Fire tactical backpack. Let's see, another pro to this con. Oh my god, I can't believe I said that. Another pro to this backpack as far as what the cost is going to be. The cost. Now, this particular backpack is selling right now on Roaring Fire Gear's website. It's selling right now for $38.99. You can also find this backpack on Amazon.com for around $40.99. And of course, if you buy it through Amazon, if you have Amazon Prime, you get 1 day shipping, or 1 to 2 day shipping. So that's actually not bad. I mean, it's only a $3 difference. When I bought this backpack back at the end of December, I only paid $23. No, I bought this at the end of November toward Christmas time. I'm sorry. So when I bought this backpack at the end of November, I only paid $23.99. So obviously, if you buy your gear through RoaringFire.com, you're going to get a lot of great deals on their gear, especially when it comes to this backpack. Now again, the two pouches that did come with this backpack, they did come with a pack. I've heard the Sensible Prepper did mention that when he bought his backpack, it only came with one patch, and that was the United States American flag patch, or the Roaring Fire patch, and that's fine. I love the fact that they included two patches with this particular backpack. Let's go ahead and talk about the cons. Cons of this backpack, haven't really found many so far, except that I would probably say the one thing I do wish that was an additional feature for this particular backpack is going to be the straps, and mainly the MOLLE webbing straps and the actual straps that keep the backpack together with the belt with the clips. Because the reason why I say that is because if you have more of the webbing material, you can attach a lot more gear to this backpack and you make it even more of a camping backpack instead of a fishing backpack. In this case, I use it as a fishing backpack, but again, I can still throw a tarp in this sucker or a tent, and I can still take this backpack out camping, maybe throw some minimal stuff, or if I'm just going for one night, I just maybe need like a change of clothes, and then I also can throw in there a small air mattress as well, and my tent, and I can also use my trekking poles, or I can even use a hammock system as well. But I do wish that they would have added some more webbing material, some more MOLLE webbing material, MOLLE straps, strap material to the backpack to basically allow you to carry a little bit more gear on this back. So that is something to take into consideration later on. All in all, was this pack worth the money? I would definitely have to say yes. This pack was definitely worth the price of $23.99. It's a great buy. I definitely like this backpack. I'm looking forward to continue to use it as a fishing kit. And I definitely look forward to what it's going to do me later on down the line. So I bought this almost a year ago. I've been using it now for the last couple of months. So once I get to the 1 year mark, I'll give you guys another review of this backpack and to let you know how it's doing. We won't go over the features, of course. We'll just talk about how the pack has performed overall. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, take care and have a great one. If you're not a current subscriber, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to give me a like if you like this type of video content. Stay tuned for more videos like this every day. And as always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.